In today's content creators video, we're going to discuss the type of content you should be making for YouTube. And we're going to get started right now. Hey, what's up guys? Max here, and welcome back to another content creators video. If you're watching this video, I assume that you're stuck trying to figure out what type of content you should be creating for YouTube. Well, I got bad news for you. You're not going to figure it out. So guess I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I just want you guys to know that Steve comes up with all the corny stuff for these videos. Everybody knows now. Yep. No, seriously, the key word in content creation is the word create. And you know, if you really make anything from scratch, it really takes time for you to perfect what you're doing, and you're not going to get it right the first time. Content creation is an evolving thing that's going to take time for you to find yourself and what you actually want to do and create content about. Now, instead of giving you stereotypical advice you can find in other YouTube videos, I decided to go ahead and give you 3 examples of YouTubers that I think are doing content creation very well. And I'm going to hopefully spark the engine of content creation in your brain, or whatever the heck that means. Okay, with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the first one. First on this list is the gaming category, which I assume a lot of you guys are wanting to do. And the best example of how to create gaming videos right now, in my opinion, is Aquafps. Look, I know a lot of you guys may not have heard of him, but if I'm being completely honest, he's one of the main reasons why I wanted to create this video. Why is that, you ask, Steve? Steve, you're supposed to ask. You're not supposed to act dumb. This is supposed to be funny. Because the one thing that you always hear on YouTube now is you can't make YouTube gaming content and hope to be successful, but I think that he's actually proven that you can still do it. While I do agree that people just uploading their stream highlights or uploading Let's Plays on YouTube doesn't really work anymore, I will say that doing highly edited videos like this.
Oh, I got him! Longest shot distance, 528 meters. I know you're impressed. Welcome back to another Escape from Tarkov video.
Really do work on YouTube. What makes him so great is his storytelling. If you really think about what he's doing, all he's doing is taking his stream highlights, he's cutting it in a hilarious way, and then he's adding his narration over it, as well as adding his 90s sense of humor to it. It's just a genius way of how to do gaming content today in 2020. Every time I leave one of his videos, I feel like I've watched this epic adventure movie, and I can't help but want more to be able to see what happens in the next chapter of the story. If your goal is to make gaming content on YouTube, I highly suggest going to check him out and really paying attention to what he does and how well he edits his videos, because that's what it's going to take to grow on YouTube as a gaming YouTube channel these days. Second on the list is tutorials, and Gaming Careers is doing by far the best job when it comes to tutorials right now. If you haven't heard of Gaming Careers, he does streaming tips and tutorial videos. I can't tell you how many times I've had to look something up because I don't know how to do something, and Gaming Careers is right there at the top of the list of people who have made a video on exactly how to do what I need to do. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you, he's not the funniest guy ever on YouTube, but I will say that his attention to detail is what I really appreciate. The biggest thing that stood out to me while I watched his videos was his timing of his B-roll footage. Poorly timed B-roll footage or no B-roll footage at all can really disengage your viewers, and seeing somebody do it really well is honestly extremely refreshing. The other thing is the pace and efficiency of his videos. A lot of tutorial videos tend to linger on forever, and he has done a great job at keeping the pace moving and getting things done in an efficient manner. I highly suggest that you go check out his tutorial videos on YouTube, even if you're not wanting to do streaming tutorials, but it gives you a great idea of how you need to structure your tutorial videos to make them not only informative, but quick and efficient, and then also entertaining to the viewers with B-roll footage. Lastly is our tips and tricks person, and that's Nimmin. To me, Nimmin is the YouTube guy. I want to use the term efficiency again here when I'm talking about Nick, because honestly, I've never seen a more efficient person when it comes to making YouTube videos. The key thing to keep in mind with his videos is to pay attention to how simple they are and how well his transitions are in his videos. When he's doing a sitting video like this, for example, he's doing a lot of zooming in and out every time he has a cut in his video. And when he's standing up, he actually does a little step-in effect that's honestly really creative and unique. This type of stuff is great because it really breaks up the video and makes it feel like it's going a lot faster than it actually is a lot of times. So if you're doing videos on how to provide tips and tricks for people or just general advice, I would definitely advise going and watching Nimmin, because he really does do a great job of what he does. All 3 of these channels are going to be linked down in the description below, so I highly advise you guys go and check them out. If you thought this video was helpful and you want to see more videos like this where I take 3 examples or 4 examples of channels that I really think could provide some inspiration, please let me know down in the comments below. Also, if you want to ask me questions live, the link to my Twitch is down in the description below as well. But that's it guys, thank you so much, and as always, we'll see you next time. He's my target. I griefed that dude.